These powerful SMD LED worklights are ideal for use around the workshop or on a vehicle. Their robust aluminium housing is fitted with two sliding magnetic brackets. These can be rotated 180 degrees to direct the light where required, and giving you the flexibility to attach the light to any ferrous metal. So they're perfect for attaching to your toolbox to illuminate the drawers, on vehicle lifts to light the underside of a vehicle, or attached directly to the underside of a vehicle. In fact, they can be placed anywhere that has a ferrous metal surface to attach to. And if you really want to light up your work area, use two. The TBL450 features 15 SMD LEDs, and they have a long operating time of up to 12 hours. They're powered by a rechargeable 3.7 volt 2.2 amp hour lithium-ion battery with an LED charging indicator to show when the light is fully charged. And they're supplied with a 1 meter USB charging cable. The Sealey TBL450 Rechargeable Magnetic Worklight, another excellent addition to the extensive Sealey range.